Hi everyone, today let us continue on solving algebra chapter 11, exercise 11.1. Today we can start with question number 4. If there are 50 mangoes in a box, how will you write the total number of mangoes in terms of the number of boxes? Use B for the number of boxes. Number 4, let B be number of boxes. Engmo means total number of mangoes in terms of number of boxes. Total number of mangoes. Mangoes box khata khaning zani omati somnga a box khata somnga oma box nia chuan za box thuma za somnga chu tin mo kan share tang enget formula tur 50 into number of box, that is B. 50B anyway. Number 5, the teacher distributes 5 pencils per student. Student pakata pencil pangaze la pea. Student chuti zata chuan pencil engzan ye pekra lang ti te hakan lo zong du don ani. Can you tell how many pencils are needed given the number of students? 2. Use S for the number of students. Let S be number of students. 1. Number of pencils distribute. Number of pencils distributed to students. 2. Exact more. Exact again don ka 5 pencils. Ania chu bang chuan 5s anime. A bird flies 1 kilometer in 1 minute. Can you express the distance covered by the bird in terms of its flying time in minutes? Minute kata 1 kilometer. Ni chuan engtin nge niang let T be time for flying in minutes. Again means distance covered in terms of flying in minutes. So engzan nge niang minute kata engzat nge chak nge ka athoka minute kata 1 kilometer zel chuti ni chuan t into 1 into t kilometer tlandon tina ni chutro 1 into t kilometer 1 t ti kher kha ngai lawa t ti tap khana dik mai ni 1 t in ti pokhan adik lo na chuang lo. Radha is drawing a dot rangoli, a beautiful pattern of lines joining dots with chalk powder. Dot ka draw. She has 9 dots in a row. Tlar khata dot pakwa ze la omani. How many dots will her rangoli have for R rows? Let R be number of rows. Engmo means dots number of dots in a row. Row khanin exam nge kha kan ti kha. She has 9 dots. Chuti ni chuan row kha ara kan represent chuan 9 R animator. How many dots are there if there are 8 rows? Number of dots in 8 row. In a row kan ti hian 1 row tina ni mai mo. In 2 row ni chuan R aya hian 2 kan ti mayang. 3 row ni chuan R aya 3 khatyang zel khan chu bang chuan 9 R kha kan formula nia tro. 8 row ni don chuan nge niang 9 into 8 ti na ni. R aya khan kan substitute tanga 9 8 za engza nge 72. If there are 10 rows ati anile number of dots in 10 rows to engzat nge niang tlar soma chuan tlar khata pakwan chuan tlar soma chuan 9 into 10 is 90 dots tara. Number 8. Leela is Radha's younger sister. Leela is 4 years younger than Radha. Radha ayin kumli in ano panga. Can you write Leela's age in terms of Radha's age? Take Radha's age to be x. Let x be Radha's age. Radha's age. Radha kumzat ka x nita setya. Radha ayin Leela hi kumli in ano pangani. At itero Leela is 4 years younger. Chuti ni chuan Leela's age. Leela chu kumingzat nge niang Radha kum chu x ania. Entirnan Radha hi kum som nita se Leela chu Radha ayin kumlia ano pan chuan 10 minus 4 ani mai tero. Radha hi kum som panga nita se Leela age chu nge niang 15 minus 4 ani mai. Mase tu na Radha's age ka kan shelaw x ni se kan ti. Chu wangin Leela's age tu Radha kumza ta chang 4 kapay mayang x minus 4 ani mai. Oh. Number 9. Mother has made ladus. She gives some ladus to guests and family members. Still 5 ladus remain. If the number of ladus mother gave away is L, how many ladus did she make? Let L be number of ladus. If the number of ladus mother gave away is L atia, apek chwa zong kha mo. Let L be number of ladus given away. Apek chwa zong kha L ni ta se 5 ladus remain. Panga kha labang ani. Ani chuna vain engzan nge siam atia ni tro. Number of ladus mother make. Ladu siam zong zong chu engzan nge apek chwa zong zong plus alabang kha. Apek chwa zong zong chu L ni se kan ti kan shelawa tro plus alabang mo 5 L plus 5 ani don ani chu. Number 10. Oranges are to be transferred from larger boxes into smaller boxes. When a large box is emptied, the oranges from it fill two smaller boxes and still 10 orange remains outside. If the number of orange in a small box are taken to be x, what is the number of oranges in larger box? X ka number of oranges in smaller box ni se aron tia question in panzia kang orange ka mo ser khum ka box liana chang box te an da ani box liana chang box te pahni akha nuwa khan som lai kha la bang ani chuti ni chan box te omzat kha x ni ta se box liana chuan engzat nge orange ka omanga tiani. Number of oranges in larger box. Box lian zo ka orange omzat chu engzat nge niang box ni orange te zo box te zo pahni akha nuwa so malabang tro box te kha x ni se x pahni akha nuwa atia tro 2x akha nuwa so malabang kha zong kha box liana chu ni box liana ho zong chu box te pahni ni em hei 2x ti chu box te kha x ania box te pahni chuan abang 10 orange la bok heti hi kan answer chu ni don ani. 11a. Look at the following matchstick pattern of squares. The squares are not separate. two neighboring squares have a common matchstick. Observe the pattern and find the rule that give the number of matchsticks. Heta hian matchstick engzat nge man A a hian no albok ha 1 2 3 4 pali manga tro apia khan engzat nge man 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 apia le a engzat nge man 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 hi ama kan ti ang khan 4x ti ringot taila box pani ni chuan 4x ni don ta se mo hi 4x lo ni don ta se box pakhata chuan 4 ani mei taro 4 into 1 is 4 box pahnia chuan 4 into 2 is 8 ma se box pani 7 chawani a chan chu he yin chom wang ani chu wang chuan 4x ti top khan adik theilawa 4x hi engtin nge kan ti thei ani le 3x plus 1 ti ta ila pakhata ni chuan enge niang 3 into 1 is 3 3 plus 1 is 4 pahni ni ta se ni le 3 into 2 plus 1 2 3 2s are 6 6 plus 1 is 7 ani chem ani le box pathum ni ta se 3 into 3 kan tianga 9 plus 1 10 alo ni che tro chu bangi kan formula chu 3x plus 1 let x be tiang kan siap do na ni 11a let x be number of matchstick required rule that gives the pattern of squares. Doing more 3x plus 1. 11b laoma. Give a matchstick pattern of triangle as in exercise 11. Find the general rule at the let x be number of matchstick required. Kantilenga. Intingeti. Find the general rule that gives the number of matchstick in terms of number of triangles. General rule for the number of triangles. Diming on. Question as yet done. The win. Inzan nge niang 3 mga heta chuan inzan nge 1 2 it is yan char zo kang 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 3 5 7 ati 3x kamang don taila 3 into 1 is 3 adik thei maya triangle pani turin 3 into 2 is 6 ma se 5 ani dei boxia pakhata in chom awangin khatiang in chom chi chu engti kan ti kha pathum man om chuan pahni chin kala ang pakhat ka neklek anga plus ka ti de yang 2x plus 1 ani vele mai tara ani le tiang in chom chi hi kil nga nei te lo ni ta seng tin nge nyang 5 matchstick a om chuan 4x plus 1 ani mai tara pakhat kha plus 1 in kan kaltir zelanga pumpuyela lavin in that way we have finished exercise 11.1. Next class we can go on with new exercise. I will stop here for today. Everything we have done, you have to copy it down in your exercise book. Don't forget that. Okay, thank you class.